Hey guys, it's Nick. Figured I'd do a quick video. Getting ready to take my girl to work. Figured I'd do a cold start on my 98 Neon. It's got a 95 cam in it. It's definitely got a cold aisle. But yeah, we'll show you guys what she sounds like really quick. Put this down. Sorry guys, give me a second, trying to make it so it'll stay. Working with my phone here. Alright, sorry for the video guys, if you can't see, I'll redo it. But here we go, cold start on my 98 Neon. Idling at about 1600 RPMs right now. Got a cold idle. As you can see, it is a cold start. Yeah guys, that's my 98 Neon. If you liked the video, comment, subscribe. There'll be more videos coming. Later guys.